So today we are going to practice another Leetcode problem, which is reverse string. So let's read the question. So it's given in signed 32-bit integer x, return x with its digit reversed. If reversing x causes the value to go outside the signed 32-bit integer range is minus 32 to the power 31 to 2 to the power 31 minus 1, then return 0. Okay, so we have given an signed 32-bit integer x, and we have to return the reversed of that number, which is x, signed 32-bit integer x. For example, we have given a number x is equal to 1 2 3, and we have to return the number of x, return the reverse of x, which is 3 2 1. We have to return this number. Okay, so we will get directly into the code. So before writing code, I will explain what I will going to write into the code. So step 1 will be convert the number into the positive integer. Step 2 is convert that positive integer into a string. Step 3, then we will reverse the string using slicing. Okay. Then step 4 is we will store the reverse string into variable. Store the reverse string basically into, sorry for my spelling, into variable. Then step 5, we will apply different condition. That's it. This is what we are going to write into the code. So let's write the code. So I will create a variable my reverse is equal to strabs of x. Then I will reverse is equal to reverse the string using slicing. Step number 2, step number 3, I think. My reverse convert that number, convert the string back to int. Sorry, I haven't mentioned this step. my reverse into integer type. Now what was just last step is apply different condition. So first condition here is, let's say if reversing x causes the value go outside. So if then return 0. Okay, if the number is out of this range, then we will have to return 0. So I will write here, if my reverse is greater than or equal to 2 to the power 31 minus 1, 2 31 minus 1, or my reverse is less than or equal to minus 2 to the power 31 colon, then I press enter, then we will return 0, return 0, then I press enter, then I will write another condition, elif. So if the number is negative number, so we will write condition for that. So here we will write elif x is less than 0, then return minus 1 into my reverse, else return my reverse. If it is positive, so we will return direct that number. Okay, this is the code. Now we will check that this code is working or not. So we will run this code. Let's see it's working or not. Okay, so we have different test cases, 1 2 3. We have given input 1 2 3, minus 1 2 3, 1 2 0. So we have, okay, we get 3 2 1, minus 3 2 1, 2 1. Okay, so different test cases is working. Now we will submit this code. Let's see it's taking or not. Yeah, it's accepted. So my code is right. So I will explain one more time this code here. So what this line does is my reverse. So it's take the number, and if it is positive, then it's convert that positive number into a string, and if the number is negative, then it will first convert that number into positive, then it will convert into string. Okay, then it will store into the my reverse variable. Then what this statement does is my reverse is equal to my reverse colon minus 1. It's this one, colon minus 1 is slicing. So I have applied slicing here. So what this statement does is it reverses the string basically. So it suppose I have written 1 2 3, I have given this number 1 2 3. What first it will convert into string first, 1 2 3. Then what this statement does is it will reverse the string. So it will give you 3 2 1. Now After that, after reversing, we again convert the string into integer format. So what this statement does is it convert the string into the integer back. So it will 3 to 1. Now its type is integer. Now I have written 3 different conditions here. So first condition is if my reverse is greater than equal to 2 to the power 31 minus 1, or my reverse is less than equal to minus 2 to the power 31. So basically sine 32 bit, so it says sine 32 bit integer. So this is the range of sine 32 bit integer. So if any number out of this range we will give, then it should return 0. So this is the condition where we have written, and then we have written if x is less than 0, if the number is negative type, then return, we have written here -1 into this number, we have multiplied this number, so we will return this. Else the number will be positive, then else, so it we have written here directly return my reverse. So this is what we have written in this code. So that's for the video. Thank you.